Welcome back to Explaincad. In this tutorial, we create a sheet metal part. First of all, I select top plane, sketch, normal, rectangle, center rectangle, draw one rectangle here. Right click, select option, smart version. This side 150 mm and this side 200 mm. Right click, select option, come back from the sketch, select base flange or tab, thickness 1.2 mm. Select OK. Now select edge flange. I select this edge and this edge. Use default radius 1.2 mm and here we change its angle. I select 60 degree and select line. The length is 120 mm and here select material inside. Select OK. Now again select edge flange. I select this edge and this edge. Same here, use default radius 1.2 mm and here angle 60 degree and here flange length line. I select 50 mm. Again here material inside. Select OK. Select this face, press and hold control button and select this face. This is 103 mm and this one is 116 mm. Actually the length which we give it to edge flange at any angle is the length of this side. From here to here this distance is 120 mm, not from here to here. Now select edge flange, select this face and this face. From here select 103 mm. OK. Material outside. Now select corners, close corner, select this corner, same here, this and this corner. Here select butt, gap distance 1 mm, select OK. Now select this face, sketch, normal, we create some hole here. I select sketch, select circle, draw one circle here and one circle here. Right click, select option, smart dimension, distance from here to here 20 mm and from here to here 40 mm. This distance 15 mm. Right click, select option, select this hole and this hole, make equal. Select this center of hole and this center, make vertical. Smart dimension from here to here 40 mm. Right click, select option, select line, center line, draw one line from here to here. Right click, select option, mirror entities to mirror. Select this circle and this circle, mirror about this line. Select OK. Come back from the sketch, go to sheet metal, extruded cut, select through all, OK. Now select corners, break corner, corner type, select fillet and select this corner, this one and this one. Radius 5 mm, select OK. Edit appearance, select any color from here. I select this color, select OK. Select flatten, see its flat pattern. Our sheet metal part is complete. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.